another cool package in the mail today. Couple hints on Instagram recently. Some people may have guessed, may not. But we got a really cool couple packages here. We are going to supercharge the 4Runner. Yes! A supercharger for the 4Runner. Pretty neat. I'm gonna open this box real quick. This is from URD. All right, first thing we got some bubble wrap. There we go. We have a thermostat, so exciting. It's a 170 degree thermostat. We wanted to make sure that 4Runner didn't have any issues. So we've got that. Man, they packaged this like super heavy duty. I appreciate that. Oh boy, what is this? This looks like that's the URD Racing idler pulley, super grip idler pulley. Got that because I know that this supercharger that we bought has been known to have issues. All right, we're just gonna go for the knife. Knife safety first. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay. It's a package within a package. It's package inception. All right. Let's see what this is right here. Oh, woohoo, it's so pretty. Dang. That is the URD crank pulley. Oh man, that is pretty. I like that. We'll pop these open in a second. Going down the next level in the box. See what we got. Okay, we got 7th injector. That's what that is right there. Some more pieces for the 7th injector. We bought a 7th injector because why not? AICT kit from URD. So that is the actual 7th injector. Piggyback ECU. That's what that is. That looks like that's the actual injector itself or something. So that's pretty cool. We have a 190 flow fuel pump in there, and we're putting a 340, I believe. Oh, this is the injector. There's the injector right there. That'll bolt onto the supercharger. Super cool. These are 2-step Coulter spark plugs. Denso iridiums. Man, that's heavy. Well, let's unpackage this. Yep. Check this baby out. Whoo-wee. That is what it comes like, looking like. All right, belt tensioner. That's the supercharger. We got it. Mama. Oh boy. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh boy. That's pretty. This is going to go on the 4Runner. We're going to try it out. There's a lot of debate when it comes to these superchargers as to does it make a difference. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But man, this is definitely a lifelong goal right here. Get a supercharged vehicle. It's smaller than I thought. Like, that's my hand. That's the classic hand measurement right there. That's what that is. Whoo-wee! Well, that's exciting. So we'll end up going and installing this soon here. That'll be a whole different experience. So I'm still waiting on a couple things. We're doing a fuel management unit from S&P down in Arizona. So we're waiting for that to come in. And we're also doing a new muffler, because my muffler is completely blown out and sounds horrendous. So we'll do before and after shots and show everybody what everything looks like. But right now I'm going to go through, look at some paperwork and make sure I got everything that I ordered, because that's important. So we'll see ya when we start installing this.